How to fix Marvel Rivals not launching? Let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to open up Steam application in your PC, then select Library, then find Marvel Rival in your library. Now tap on the square-like icon, then select Properties. Now inside here, you will be able to find an option that says Installed Files. Simply tap onto it, then tap on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for a process to finish, and this will fix any missing or corrupted files. After verification is completed, you need to simply close the Steam app completely and make sure Steam is also closed from the hidden app right over here. Once you do that, right-click on Steam and then tap on Run as Administrator. And once Steam opens up, you can try launching Marvel Rivals again. If the game still does not launch, you need to go back to Steam, tap on Library, tap on the square icon, tap on Properties, and then select Install Files. Then tap on Browse. Now from the game folder, double-click on the game's execution file to launch it directly. That's it. These steps should help you fix Marvel Rival not launching on PC. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.